In front of me is HONOR Magic8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or a video file to text message. Start by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to create an audio file and add it within Messages app, use this button at the bottom right corner. Start recording thanks to microphone 1. Restart whenever you wish thanks to this left button. Or end your recording thanks to this middle one. You can also attach it instantly. Now listen to it, and when you're ready, hit attach, or click attach instantly and listen to it here. If you want to add already existing audio file, use this plus at the bottom left corner, hit files, and look for your audio one by tapping on audio at the top, selecting one of those apps or clicking on those 3 lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, click on your file after you find it. Now, to create and add video one, use this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner. Then operate camera section at the top, and after you finish recording, your video will be automatically attached. If you want to pick already existing one, click on it here to attach it, or scroll down to find it here. Once you do, hit done at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!